大家好. Today I'm going to teach us how to say hello and how are you in Chinese. How to say it and how to write it in the Chinese symbols or characters. Okay, so if you meet Chinese person want to say hello, you say ni hao. Ni hao. How do you write it? Ni hao. Ni hao means this is pinyin how to pronounce it. Ni hao, which means what? Hello. So when someone says ni hao, the response is ni hao. And how do you say how are you? Still the same, say ni hao ma, which is ni hao ma. This is how to pronounce it. Ni hao ma, which means you good. You know, actually ni is you, while hao means good. Ma is a question particle. So ni hao ma, you good. Then this ni hao, which means hello, means you good, silly, you good, but it's not a question. Just you good, hello, you good. Then ni hao ma, you good. Bye, Jen.